Bit of a rainy day today, so I thought instead of wasting the day, I'd have a little bit of a walk with the dog down the Chesterfield Canal. So I've just packed up at Hollingwood and I'm just walking down to Staveley, because a few weeks ago I saw on Facebook somebody posted that the Staveley Town Lock, the relatively new lock, is now in water. And I know it's been kind of fenced off for quite a while now, so I'm just going to go down there and just have a look. So it was great to see the Hollingwood Tunnel entrance visible again. When I came, I was looking for that last May when I did the video. It was so overgrown you couldn't even make out where the entrance was. I walked up and down the towpath a few times and it just really wasn't, it was so overgrown it really wasn't possible to tell. But yeah, nice and clear now, you can see right into the tunnel. So they've got a sluice up at Mill Green Bridge. I'm assuming that's to do with the work that they've been doing. This section's been closed off for a while when I've been down the last few times. So Staveley Town Basin and Staveley Town Locks just at the end there. I can still see quite a bit of fencing up. Feels quite a bleak place on a rainy day like today. From on the bridge. So you can see that there's water east of that lock now, so it's the first time I've ever seen water in that section. That fisherman sat there looks as miserable as the weather. And this bit here, between the two bridges, between the two road bridges, is it's called Hartington Harbour, eventually. It's quite sad to see it at the moment because it's obviously meant to be a nice space around the town basin there. And you can see they've got the cycle racks and things like that, but it's so overgrown at the minute, it's just not being used, is it? It's raining quite heavy now. Don't know if it's getting on the lens. We're just under the Staveley to Eckington Road bridge. So this is as far as the water goes. And this is where the canal meets the old railway line. So obviously this section would be the next stage. It's disused past here. But there is another bit in water there. I've never seen water in that bit either. So there's the remains of the old railway bridge. It's a better view of the bridge there. The old platform. So it does pong a bit down here at the moment. That water's looking a little bit stagnant. It's great to be able to see the progress that the canal restoration's making. I'm sure the Canal Trust are equally as frustrated just how slow these things do do take, all the red tape and things and whatnot they have to, hoops they have to jump through. Yeah, I'm keen to see how that progresses over the coming years. So that's it from me, just a little short video, just a little walk with the dog. And the weather hasn't ruined it too much, thankfully. But I'll sign off. Thanks again for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon.